Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Landy, and I am doing another upload about TextBot. I wanted to get a little bit more into what exactly it is and why I like it so much and things like that. So I recently made a video just saying call this number, call this number. At that time I was very excited about pushing TextBot because I was just saying to myself that I needed to get a bot, and I knew that that was going to be the next investment I was going to make, was to have some type of automated system working for me while I'm not there. So that's the goal for every business, or should be, for you not to have to give up time for money, and then that's the goal here. So what I like about TextBot is her name is Ava, and she is a artificial intelligence text bot that does all the hard work by basically doing the closing of a sale. You just direct people to her, and that's about it. And she takes it from there, and of course you're gaining and building your email list and a telephone list, which not too long ago I just had said in my brain, like, I need to be doing text message marketing because I have all of these numbers. So that is something that I feel like I manifested to myself to happen. It was such a synchronicity for me to for TextBot to pop right into my awareness, and I bought it immediately. So I do have a video showing you the process that I took with starting it. I wanted to hit the ground running, so since I'm already kind of knee deep in affiliate marketing, and I have a main system, that Power Lead system, that I use for my other platform that I sell. But the reason why I like to use TextBot first is because, first of all, when you're buying a solo ad, right? Let's just use solo ad for an example. You're buying this solo ad, and the lowest that you're gonna get anything is about $70, $68, and you're gonna get 100 visitors, top tier. That's what I can afford, at least. I don't know about everybody else. But so usually what I do before TextBot, usually what I would have in there was my Power Lead system emails, or some sort of, email to a ClickBank offer or something like that. And what I like about TextBot is about its live. So if you're looking at the 100 visitors and you're pushing another link other than TextBot, like the link I was pushing, well, that is a slow strategic push link, because it starts by giving you something free, and then it builds up to a $7, then up and up and up to monthly and all that. So it's a slow process of building up. It's totally worth it. But if I do TextBot, and let's say I get 7 people interested in TextBot, call the number, and I get 7 people interested in my other link. The 7 people before TextBot has to go through this whole entire process before I get a nice good amount, and I gotta wait until my system, the Power Lead system, does payouts, and it's just a whole process of waiting. Now, on the other hand, if I was to get 7 TextBot people interested in it, and they all, well, let's say even half of them got the software. So that second, when they get the software, you get paid immediately, because they pay you directly to your PayPal, to your Cash App, to your Venmo, to your, what is that called? That newer one. I don't know why I'm forgetting what it's called, but it has all the pay route availability. I forgot what's that purple one called. Zing. I don't know why. I just had thought about it. I just said it the other day. I just said it. What was it? They have all the payment. They have all the payment options, but it's a purple app. I don't know why I'm just clear, like it's blank on my head. But anyways, they have all the payment methods out there. Zelle, boom, that's what it is. They got Zelle, they got PayPal, they got Cash App, they got Venmo, they got Google Pay, they got credit card. Anyway, so it goes straight to you right then and there, and they don't even get to start this using the software until you actually have to say that they have paid and say that it's okay for them to start. So the difference is major. And then that's not it. On top of that, after they start the software, they're going to get a link to my business, the one that I was sending them first before the offer. So then I get to give them a cool system to even build more stuff off of. And that's what you try to do, is you try to give them offers that have to do with the previous offer that will help them with the new mission that they're started with the previous offer. So if you're starting to build an email list and you just bought my Power Lead system to hold your emails and to make funnels, then of course, if you need traffic, of course, if I send you a link to traffic for 30 days to get you a kickstart, that's kind of like next on the list, right? So TextBot is cool because it does not minus anybody else's niche. You don't want to go running from niche to niche. So that's the cool part about TextBot. And I'm going to take you guys into the desktop to show you the procedure on what I did to get a great response in my first few days, and how I worked the system and why you should do it like me.